guys, welcome back to Lifestyle with Iceta, and I have for you this nice sleek updo on an old wash and go. And the products I use in here are very affordable, they're easy to come by, and it's not hard to do. You can always substitute the products that I use with other products that work for you. Always located in the description area is the products that I'm currently using. So I'll be using one of many products that I'm always using. Before every hairstyle, I always encourage you to do a LOC method to moisturize your hair to ensure that your hair is healthy and hydrated and ready and prepped to take whatever hairstyle that you decide to do that day. So my LOC method, I use liquid, which is just basic water. I actually use some cream, which is my leave-in conditioner, and I also used an oil. That was kind of unorthodox for how I did the wash and go. That's because my hair was not already clean. It was from an old wash and go, so there was already product built up in my hair, and I just wanted something to help to give me some kind of leverage to stretch it out. So much for joining me today again, and I hope you did enjoy the little updo that I did. It's nice, sleek, easy to go do. It's nice, sleek, and easy. You don't have to go ahead and do all this slayage of the baby hair and all that crazy stuff. That's just me. You don't have to do it that way, but this is easy to do, very, very simple, and it can take you possibly only about 5 or 10 minutes depending on how thick your hair is or how short your hair is. It just depends on those kinds of things. if you have a question for me, just go right ahead and leave it in the comments area. I will answer, and I do answer all the comments that you leave there. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye now.